I used to view the sea as a battlefield. But now I can appreciate the bounty it has to offer.
Fuck is he?
And all of the natural beauty that surrounds it.
Fuck off, boys! Oh, they're not that bad.
I am but a humble wanderer, blessed with this feast.
Great, you found a bug. Cheers.
No better than a heron or a blade of grass.
Suppose it was pretty interesting. For an insect. Fuck this, I'm going back to the ship.
Or some sand. Or like a wave or something. Here I go again, on my own. Fuck off, nature. Even a single fish scale holds majesty, mysterious beauty.
You fuck off! Fuck you! Fucking nature, fuck off! Fucking no! Motherfucking no! Fuck you!